Hey guys, this is Lucy, and in this video I am going to show you how to change your 2.5 gigahertz Wi-Fi to 5 gigahertz. So this is simple steps. All you need to do is go to your start and type ncp8.cpl. So it will open this window. All you need to do is search for Wi-Fi, right click on it and click on properties. It will pop another window and here you need to click on configure. It will again pop another window. Here you need to click on advanced and you need to go and click on bandwidth. Make sure it's auto, and here down here you should see preferred band. You need to click on 5G first, just like that, and click on OK. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.